Hi, my name is Jen Scully and I'm the manager at Black Hill Visitor Center and Nature Programs in Black Hill Regional Park. Today we're in our gardens and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the parts of a plant. Here I have an eastern columbine. It's a plant that's native to Maryland. So let's start from the ground up. First is our roots. I don't know if you can see this here. So the main root is called the taproot, and then there's a bunch of little hairy little roots that come off of the main taproot. Now these roots will suck up water and minerals from the soil, and importantly, it helps anchor the plant into the ground so it's stable. From there, we'll move up this big tube-like thing, and this is the stem of the plant. And inside the stem are multiple little tiny tubes called xylem and phloem. Now xylem takes water and nutrients and minerals from the roots up into the plant for different parts that need it. Next, we have leaves. Leaves can come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Now, leaves are the workhorses or factories for the plant, and they do something super special called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a pretty complicated process, but basically it takes sunlight and carbon dioxide and turns it into food for the plant and oxygen for us. Now I mentioned there were a couple tubes in the stem, xylem and also phloem. Now phloem takes the products of photosynthesis, that food, and takes it down to parts of the plant that don't perform photosynthesis. It's a pretty neat system. Now some plants are really special and they will have flowers. This also is an eastern columbine plant, and it is in full bloom. It has this beautiful yellow and red flower that lots of things love, not just people, but also pollinators. And pollinators can be anything from bees to hummingbirds. They will come to the flower to get the nectar, and while they're doing that, they get covered in pollen and will actually pollinate the flower, because the flower has male and female parts. Once the flower is pollinated, it'll turn into a seed and start the cycle all over again for the plant. So I hope you learned a little bit about what makes up a plant and the parts and what they do, and have a great day.